Good evening, students. Yesterday we discussed problem number 1 and today I discuss problem number 2, that is from the following trial balance of Messrs. Mitesh and Mangesh, you are required to prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on that date. Trial balance is given as on 31st March 2019. Stock as on 1st April 2018. It is opening stock, trading account debit side. Building, balance sheet asset side. Carriage, trading account debit side. Factory insurance, it is related to factory, that's why it is trading account debit side. Postage, profit and loss account debit side. Bills receivable, balance sheet asset side. Sundry debtors, balance sheet asset side. Return inward, trading account debit side. Purchases, trading account debit side. Audit fees, profit and loss account debit side. Loose tools, asset. Manufacturing expenses, trading account debit side. Electricity charges, profit and loss account debit side. General expenses, profit and loss account debit side. Export duty, profit and loss account debit side. Cash in hand, balance sheet asset side. Bank balance, balance sheet asset side. Conveyance, profit and loss account debit side. Furniture, balance sheet asset side. Salaries, profit and loss account debit side. Rent, rate and taxes, profit and loss account debit side. Drawings Mitesh 1200, Mangesh 2200. But in this problem current account is given, that's why we have to open current account. And in current account debit side, two drawings. In Mitesh column 1200, in Mangesh column 2200. Then credit side, sundry creditors, balance sheet liability side. Sales, trading account credit side. Capital, uh, directly post in balance sheet liability side. Capital account Mitesh 1,50,000, Mangesh 50,000. Outstanding salary, balance sheet liability side. Bills payable, balance sheet liability side. Return outward, it is purchase return less from purchases. Current account balance is given, Mitesh 3,000, Mangesh 2,000. Current account credit side by balance brought down, in Mitesh column 3,000, in Mangesh column 2,000. Trial balance is over. Now adjustments. First, Mitesh and Mangesh are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. Ratio is given, that is 3:1. Second, partners are entitled to get commission at 1% each on gross profit. For this adjustment, you have to calculate gross profit, and on gross profit, uh, partners are entitled to get commission at 1%. Then you have to calculate 1% commission on gross profit. I think in this problem answers are given. GPR is 99,000. Then you have to calculate 1% on 99,000, and it is posted to partner's current account credit side by commission account. And in Mitesh column and Mangesh column you have to post 1% commission. And second effect is balance sheet, profit and loss account debit side. The closing next adjustment, the closing stock is valued at 23,700. First effect is trading account credit side, and second effect is balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, outstanding expenses, audit fees 400, carriage 600. Outstanding expenses, two effects are add in particular expenses, and second effect balance sheet liability side. Building is next adjustment, building is valued at 46,500. In this problem the amount of building is 48,500. Then you have to calculate depreciation, that is 2,000 depreciation. You have to deduct from 46,500, 48,500. Then the outer amount is 46,500. It means depreciation amount is 2000 less from building 2000. And second effect is profit and loss account debit side to depreciation on building 2000. Next adjustment, furniture is depreciated by 5%. Amount of furniture is 64,000. In trial balance the amount is given 64,000. On 64,000 you have to calculate 5% depreciation. It is 3,200 less from furniture 3,200. And second effect, profit and loss account debit side to depreciation on furniture 3,200. Next adjustment, provide interest on partners capital at 2.5% per annum. Interest on partners capital, the amount of capital is given Mitesh 1,50,000. You have to calculate 2.5% on 1,50,000. I think it is interest on capital 3,750. Then Mangesh capital amount is 50,000. On 50,000 you have to calculate interest on capital to 2.5%. It is 1,250. First effect, partners current account credit side by interest on capital. In Mitesh column 3,750, in Mangesh column 1,250. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side to interest on capital. Mitesh 3,750, Mangesh 1,250. Next adjustment, goods of rupees 900 were taken by Mangesh for his personal use. Mangesh is a partner. Partner is taken goods for personal use. Then that means it is drawings. First effect, trading account credit side by goods taken by partner for personal use 900. And second effect, it is drawing. That's why current account debit side to drawings in Mangesh column 900 and Mitesh column dash. Last adjustment, write off rupees 1,000 as bad debts and maintain RDD at 3% on sundry debtors. The amount of sundry debtors is given, that is 52,200 less 1,000 bad debts, less bad debts 1,000. Amount is remaining 51,200. And now calculate 3% on 51,200, that is 1,536 less RDD 1,536. And in outer column 49,664. Second effect of bad debts and RDD is profit and loss account debit side to bad debts 1,000 to RDD 1,536. Now the problem is over. First, tally trading account, total credit side of trading account, then minus the total of debit side, then the gross profit is arised, that is 99,000. To gross profit 99,000. The gross profit is carried down to profit and loss account credit side, that is by gross profit 99,000. Then total profit and loss account debit side less from credit side, and now net profit is arise, that is 63,684. It is the net profit is distributed between 3:1. The ratio is given in adjustment number 1. You have to distribute the net profit, that is Mitesh 47,763 and Mangesh 15,921. Now the net profit is transferred to current account credit side by net profit. In Mitesh column 47,763 and in Mangesh column 15,921. Now first close the current account credit side total and then debit side total, and the balance is two balance carried down. In Mitesh column 54,303 and in Mangesh column 17,061. The current account balance is transferred to balance sheet liability side current account. Mitesh 54,303, Mangesh 17,061, and then you can tally the balance sheet, and balance sheet is tallied to the amount 3,30,364. Now the problem is over. Thank you.